In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default sender email address on Klaviyo. This process is essential if you want to ensure your emails reflect the correct sender information, creating a more personalized and professional touch for your communications. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the steps. Let's start by heading to the Klaviyo platform. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your company name displayed. Click on it. This action will open up a menu where you'll find several options pertinent to your account settings. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your Klaviyo account. Once you're in the Settings area, the next step is to navigate to the Account tab. Within this section, you'll notice an option labeled Organization. Click on this section, as this is where we can update the organizational information and, most importantly, the default sender email address. Now that you're in the Organization section, you're presented with the ability to edit your contact information. This section is incredibly useful for tailoring your account settings to suit your organizational needs better. Locate the field labeled Default Sender Email Address. It's imperative that this email address reflects your desired sender information, whether it's a personal email or a more general company email, like info@yourcompany.com. Go ahead and make the necessary changes. Once you've updated the default sender email address to your satisfaction, make sure to save your changes. The Save button is conveniently located at the top right of your screen, ensuring that all your updates are securely recorded. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully updated the default sender email address in Klaviyo. This simple change can have a significant impact on how your recipients perceive the emails you send. Whether you're sending marketing campaigns or transactional emails, it's crucial that your communications come from the right email address. Remember, if you ever need to revisit these settings, you can always follow these steps again to make additional changes. It's an easy process once you get the hang of it, and with these instructions, you'll be navigating Klaviyo like a pro in no time. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.